Hi guys, this is Michelle and welcome back to Michelle's Boutique. As you've seen from the title, today I'm going to be doing a beginner's makeup look. This is a very easy tutorial for everyone that wants to start makeup and doesn't know where to start really, and I'm just going to give you like a few tips as well so they can help you with your journey. To help out with anyone that wants to start and already has kind of some kind of setup like foundation, concealer, and eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be doing something a bit more such as an eye makeup look. And the theme for today is Valentine's Day. Just because it's February, you know, month of love, month of flowers, chocolates, and I have a beautiful palette for it. But anyway, let's get started. As in my base, an e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter in this shade 7, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the best thing ever for anyone that's a beginner because it's relatively cheap compared to the other foundation, and this can be used as a highlighter, foundation, the contouring, and concealer. It's very universal and it's really good for someone that's just starting makeup. I'm just gonna apply it on my face just like that, and of course the forehead. Oh my god, I remember now how I used to not wear foundation on my forehead, and I'm like looking back, I'm like, what were you doing? Now with the beauty blender, you're just gonna blend everything out really carefully. You might think that this is kind of like a light shade for me, but it's actually quite good after I like blend everything out. If you want any further tips on makeup or skincare, check out my channels because I've made a few videos, especially on applying foundation, like makeup looks that like pops and like really good for like dark skin especially. Check out my channel because I've made a few videos about that. Now because I'm an eczema girly and I have like a bit of discoloration at the bottom and the top of my lips, I'm just gonna add a little bit more to get a bit more coverage. Now onto the concealer. The concealer that I use is the Maybelline Foreign Glow Perfector, if I'm not mistaken, in this shade 3 medium deep. The only thing I don't really like about this concealer is like it's quite glittery, and honestly I'm not a huge fan of it. But I am planning into buying some new concealers, especially when I try Shiglam a lot because I'm very intrigued by that company. I'm gonna try something more with you guys. By this point I usually start doing my eyelashes and my mascara, but because I was doing eye makeup, like a special eye makeup today, I'm gonna be doing my cheeks and my highlighting first, and then I'm gonna focus on my eyes. As a blush, I use the Shiglam liquid blush in the shade Rose Ritual, which is a amazing shade for dark skin. I absolutely love how rosy it looks. I'm just gonna put like a few dots just like that because I'm kind of running out of this, I'm not gonna lie, but still got like a lot of pigment, which is really good, and it creates an effect that's not too maybe too bright or too subtle. It's just right in the middle. Now for highlighter, I used to use this Shiglam liquid like highlighter in the shade Tea Cake. However, I noticed that it's like kind of like hard to manage liquid highlighters, so now I mix the collection highlight stick and this. So what I do is just put it at the top. It's like that, just a tiny dot, because this thing is extremely pigmented, and get this like, I think it's like an eye brush, and just like blend it all in there. And because this highlighter is kind of like really light as well, it's like kind of like on the like whiter side, it's not that great for like dark skins, so this really enhances its colors. And I'm gonna put it on the tip of my nose carefully just to give it a tiny bit of glow more. As you can see, I hope it's already giving nice glow to my nose at the tip, which is what we want the most. Try not to connect the tip with the neck of the nose, because it's kind of like creating a feel like a very long nose, and I don't really like that. I really do not like my nose, so just like so. And just to add a little bit of sparkle on your face, just add it on these points carefully. Don't get into your eyes, please. And on the top of my lip. So it's already given so much. I love this look so much. I absolutely love it. So if you're really like really beginning and maybe you just have like a concealer or a foundation, this might be like the very start. This is like an everyday makeup look like you cannot get wrong with this type of makeup. It's very basic. Now I forget that I have naturally pretty good eyebrows. I don't really do them, but it's better if you do them. I use this like random clay mascara that I found. His body care, if I'm not mistaken. But it's not that good. It's not like I recommend it that much, I'm not gonna lie. Now the crucial moment, the eye makeup. What I'm gonna be using today is the Collection eyeshadow palette from the, I'm pretty sure it's like the Valentine thing, and it's literally smells like cherries. Like it's an addictive smell, honestly. It's so good. The colors are just amazing. There's like so many colors, and you can tell I've used it a bit. For this look, I'm gonna be using these. Oh wait, these 3 colors. To create a look, you're just gonna get this one, which is kind of like our main color. Oh, I need to be careful with this because I have not done this in like a long time. I'm just gonna use this for the end. Because I like to have like kind of like a gradient look, I'm gonna use the darker, the shade Jubilee, just realized. I'm just gonna put it like at the really beginning of the eye. Just like so, and it's already given so much Valentine, and I love it. Now for the middle part, which is my favorite, I'm gonna use the glitters. This is the shade Pop, which is makes so much sense because it's gonna pop our makeup like, oh my days. And this time we're just gonna put it right in the middle where we have the gap. And this is pretty much what you're gonna achieve. Like I literally, I'm there. No. But it's kind of like what you're trying to achieve. Now that we're done with our eye makeup look, we're gonna do purple eyelashes. And I'm gonna use the same clear mascara that was used for my eyebrows because it's literally the same thing. Now we're gonna do a mascara with the Fenty Full Frontal Mascara in the shade Cause I'm Black. This one is kind of particular, so it's flat on one side and it's like curvy on the other side, and that is because you're gonna flatten the fronted. You're gonna lengthen the lashes with this side, and then we're gonna use the curvy side to give volume. So with the eyelashes finished, this is the eye look. Isn't it amazing? For the purpose of this look, I'm gonna make like the lips as simple as possible, which is just Vaseline, because it's for beginners. Probably not gonna have like lipsticks or lip liners, stuff like that. So it's just plain Vaseline. I love Vaseline so much. As an alternative, you could use the rosy Vaseline, which gives you kind of like a rosy undertone, but I don't really have it on me right now, so I'm just gonna use plain Vaseline. Thank you guys for watching this video so much. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a like and comment in the video below any ideas that you want from this channel. Please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching again. Bye guys, love you all so much.